So in this demonstration, I'll be showcasing how we'll be creating two different accounts, basically the company accounts and the school accounts. So the school accounts for the mentees, while the company accounts will be for the mentors. So talking about the mentors and the mentees, they will be created in the contact record. So the contact records can be either a mentor or a mentee, right? And so also be demonstrating how we can capture leads and how we can also convert leads. Then I will go on further to demonstrate how a mentor can kind of log in through the organization's portal and update the kind of progress record he has been making with the mentees he has been allocated to. Then also show some dashboards I've created for the app and probably the reports as well. Hello everyone, so this is me trying to log in to my org. So let's go ahead and log in. Yeah, so this we are kind of greeted with the home page. So this is the home page. I kind of created the app, and the app basically has these tabs here. So we have the account, the contacts, the leads, the mentor matches, the progress, reports, and dashboards. So here is the home page. We have the news for coming. This news is actually coming from one of the accounts, AC Milan. Then we have all our mentor match records. We have these are the new contacts for this week. We have open cases, and also have new companies that just got registered. Right. So I'll be taking us through the rest of the application to see what we've got. So for all the school accounts, so these are for the school accounts. Using kind of use filtering to filter this list to just get the schools, and we have as well the company accounts as well. So these are the company's accounts with the number of employees. So when we go to the contacts, the same fashion, we have the contacts. So some of these contacts, some are kind of mentees while some are mentors. For us to get that, we have the mentees list, right? These are the mentees, and so kind of use filtering here to get the mentees, right? So we have the mentees, we have the mentors as well. So the mentors list, and we can kind of sort by local authority, ascending or descending order to have the local authorities. Kind of use a pick list value here. Authorities 1, 2, 3, can be any value, right? So that's what we have here. We have the leads, kind of pre-populated it with some values, and I'll be showing how we can capture web to leads, using web to leads to capture our leads, and also do some conversion as well. So here are the leads. Can go to maybe all leads, and we'll have a lot of values here. Then we have done some mentor matches as well, and going to be demonstrating how mentor matching, progress, mentor progress records, we have our reports, and we have our dashboard. So this is our dashboard. Let me just go to here to show this very exclusive dashboard. So on this dashboard you can see all the mentors and kind of sorted according to language. We have the mentees, the companies, and also have the trend showing how the mentor matching has been going on. Right, so here I want to demonstrate how we can create different accounts. If you noticed, we have the account section, or the account, we have the companies and company accounts, and we also have the school accounts. So we need to demonstrate how we're able to distinguish these two accounts while creating them. So to achieve this, kind of created two record types, one for the company account, one for the school accounts. So if I'm to create a school account, I just have to select school, and this will kind of take me to a layout where I can only use information for the school, right? So here you can see that the account type has to be school, and then I can kind of pre-populate all this, and put this information, right? If I am to create that of companies, then I'll be presented with record type. The account type is going to be defaulted to company, right? And I'll be demonstrating how we can use it to capture leads to the system. So if I go here, if I go to my lead records, let me quickly navigate to today's leads, and I can see we don't have anything here for today, right? However, here is my lead form, and we'll see how we can capture that. No, it's Christian, it's an Englishman, right? So we submit, and we get redirected to Google. This page can be any kind of landing page of your choice. So let's go back to our leads to see if we have actually captured Chris. So I need to refresh this page. Voila, you can see we have actually captured Chris. So next, what next can I demonstrate how we can convert this lead to a contact in our database. So I'm gonna click here, and this is basically kind of our business process for converting leads. I'll just kind of skip this entire process and just kind of convert lead. Basically, let's assume that the manager, the sales representative, the sales rep sees that Chris is kind of a good guy and is qualified to be in a mentor program as a mentor, and go ahead to convert. We are presented with this. This account gonna be Kent Industries. Its record type, we're gonna change it to company because he's a mentor and is gonna be working with company records, and we go ahead to convert. Now we have converted, right? can see Chris type mentor. The account is Kent Industries, contact is mentor. Let's go to Chris record. When we go to Chris record, we'll see that he's a mentor, and this is his industry. His account is Kent Industries. So when we click on that account, we can see that in the account the number of employees are 30. So next is to show how we can log in, how mentors can log in from the community portal to kind of maybe update the records of their mentees they have been allocated to. So I need to demonstrate how we can first of all enable the community user account for the mentors. So I should navigate to the mentors list. Let me take Kevin Hart for example. Kevin Hart is a mentor, and we need to kind of activate his account so that he can access the portal, right? So I'm supposed to be clicking enable customer user, and that will help us to create and enable a customer portal account for Kevin Hart. For the purpose of this demo, I have gone ahead to enable one. His name is Rotimi. Can easily search Rotimi. So Rotimi is a mentor. And he has been activated. See, login has already been activated. I have the option to disable or to login. Has already been activated as the customer user, right? So I'll be demonstrating how you can log in through the company's portal to kind of update the records of the mentees he has been assigned to. So before I log in as a mentor, as Rotimi, I want to show the difference by logging in first as an administrator to the system, and you can see the difference when Rotimi logs in as a mentor to the portal. So over here I've logged in as administrator through the portal, and here is our portal page. You can see here we have the dashboard, kind of shows us what's going on, right? Then we have this coming from the news feed, from the chatter feed. On the right we have the matches. As an administrator, I'm seeing all this. Right here shows the open cases that I've kind of logged in. Then at the top navigation we have the mentor matches on the progress as well. Over here on this page I've logged in as Rotimi, and you can see that he does not have access to the dashboard, but he has access to the chatter feed. Now on the right you can see the mentees that he has been matched with, and he also shows the progress record so far. And we have open cases he has personally logged in that are yet to be resolved. So now let's from here Rotimi can kind of view this record, or I can also view it from the mentor match tab. So on this tab you can go to can show all, or can recently viewed. So these are the records he has been matched with. You can see here he has 3 mentees so far, and from here he can update the progress he has been making with any of these mentees. You can see he does not have the ability to create new match record, and he cannot obviously edit this, but he can add progress reports, or progress records for these mentees. Let's quickly add add notes for Janet. So over here on this record, go to the related list. You can see so far as already updated. This was done 24. We can add more. Maybe today we also had meeting Janet and it went well. You can see he can always update his progress with Janet. In some way you can do with any of the mentees here.